PB&J, short for peanut butter and jelly, one of the most classic American cuisines in the canon.
Just a peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
It was always like this sad sandwich that you got on field trips.
I've actually never eaten a peanut butter and jelly sandwich before.
Are there people who don't know how to do that?
Okay, I'm about to tell y'all how this goes down with the PB&J.
First question always is, what kind of bread would you like?
Looks like I've got a white bread, whole wheat bread, and a sprouted bread.
I can't eat any of this because it has gluten in it.
Okay.
This one reminds me of childhood.
A PB&J should be on white bread.
These are too healthy and not good.
Peanut butter and jelly has to be made. It has to be made on good white bread.
The white bread is the more classic. The wheat is if your parents are like.
This looks really healthy.
The great debate, crunchy or creamy.
Always go with the creamy.
This may get me divorced, but I'm kind of a crunchy guy.
I'm all about the texture here.
I'm gonna pick the organic peanut butter because I'm a classy bitch.
Oh, this is crunchy organic peanut butter. Gross.
Try to get all the corners because you should always challenge yourself.
And I think there's always a great debate. Do you put peanut butter on both sides or just one?
This is such an American thing, right?
We're gonna go in with a spoon.
It gets it a good even spread the fastest way.
Spread it nice and even.
Not bad, pretty good coverage.
It's like the thickness of like a penny.
It smells really good.
Grape jelly is the way to make a PB&J.
Strawberries, obviously the way to go.
Strawberry, my favorite.
Ooh, grape.
Classic, grape jelly.
Apricot.
Oh, this looks good.
Dab it in various parts of the sandwich.
Right. You don't want any of those bites where it's either just jelly or just peanut butter.
I like it sweet.
Then you have to edge the situation.
PB, meet J.
Flip.
Flip it, close it up.
And you absolutely have to slice it.
Right down the middle.
Yeah, I'm cutting off the crust.
Slice them in a diagonal.
At an angle.
And you have to cut it in triangles because the other way is just lame.
It's scientifically proven that diagonally cut sandwiches taste better.
And this is how you make a PB&J. You want it to be a nice, sturdy white bread, okay? Grape jelly, creamy peanut butter. I think a good peanut butter and jelly needs 50% peanut butter, 50% jelly. I'm a little more on the maximum side here of peanut butter and jelly. So, and you have to go all the way to the edges, right? Nothing worse than a peanut butter and jelly where everything's stuck in the center, and a fair amount of jelly, right? All the way to the edges. I'm using a spoon for this. I always find the spoon's a little easier. Jelly tends to slide off of a knife. And all I do here, put them together, a nice, simple diagonal cut. See how it's kind of oozing out? That's what I want to see for the perfect peanut butter and jelly sandwich. There's a lot of different options for peanut butter and jelly. Have fun with it. Enjoy your peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I want a bite.
First bite ever. A little overhyped, but not too bad. That's not too bad.